In today's video, I'm going to show you a new way to create t-shirt designs which will take your business to the next level. A good tool that provides advanced t-shirt design templates that you can customize and use for your print-on-demand business. Welcome to TAD Coaching. Placeit.net is an online tool which means you don't have to install any software. It provides you with a big library of templates for designing t-shirts, mock-ups, logos, and even YouTube videos. The possibility to customize complex designs, even if you're not a designer, will get a lot more engagement and sales to your t-shirt business. So, let us start and I will walk through all of this with you. So here we are in Placeit.net, and this is the homepage right here. You need to create a free account or sign in if you're already registered. You can use the free resources or subscribe to get full access to the library and unlimited downloads. Two ways can be used to design a t-shirt. The first one is by using the t-shirt template under Design or using the logo templates. Both ways will work fine, and I'm going to explain why and show you the difference between them. I will start out with t-shirt designs. So, have a look at all these designs that you can use and customize, and then you can export them with a transparent background. With no need for extra steps of removing the background, you just get a file that you can upload directly on print-on-demand websites. So just scroll through here and you can sort the templates by different tags on the sidebar to find a specific category you want to use. Or filter them to browse only the free or best-selling templates. So let's just click on this one right here. And now we can customize it. The first thing I recommend is to set the backgrounds to transparent. After that, you can export it with no background and we can upload it directly to a print-on-demand website. Placeit has different download sizes for t-shirt designs. They provide a resizing tool, so in case your default download was not 4500 by 5400, which is the pixel ratio requirement for merch by Amazon, you can resize it to 4500 by 5400 and it will work for all services. Then, in order to change this text position, we can drag and move it. Using this button, you can always reset your design to bring it back to its original format. Changing the text can be done right over here, and we can replace it with whatever we want. Then, you can change the font color right over here. Now, we are going to select the image by clicking on it. And then you can replace it with a lot of different related images suggested, or you can even upload a custom image. After that, you can change the size and the position or do whatever you want with it and then export it to get your design. So this allows you to get a lot more creative t-shirt designs compared to Canva, and you can export it with a transparent background even for the free designs. So it's extremely efficient. You can make as many designs in a short time just by doing this and selecting the different types of templates you want to go into. So once you have the design exactly how you want it, all you have to do is click the download button. The website will first process it. Then in My Downloads menu, you can click to download them right onto your computer and you have the design ready to go with a transparent background. Now let us switch into using the logos to do t-shirt designs. First, let me save this design as a draft so I can come back to it later. Then I'm going to go back up to the top and click on Logos. And then don't type in a brand name, but just click See All Our Templates. So technically these are logos. However, they can be used for t-shirts as well. Designs like this are very hard to make, since they're not just text and need expert designing skills. And you have a big variety to choose from, So I'm going to select this one for example, and I'll show you how this works. The exciting part is that you can easily select from all of these different characters and it replaces them on the design. Right now we have a touring motorcycle image, but I'm going to come over here and replace it with this off-road motorcycle. All you need to do is click this and wait for it to load, and it recreates the design with the off-road motorcycle. You can change the colors if you need to, and this is what's going to take your t-shirt designs to the next level. As always, remember to add in the transparent background. Now I'm going to change the text. Let us go with jumping soon as something for off-road motorcycles. This is something you can put on a t-shirt. All you have to do is change the colors to whatever you want. I will try a combination of black and green. You can scroll through here and keep changing this out until you find what you like. And as you can see, it doesn't need any special design skills to do it. So this is a really big step in designing t-shirts for t-shirt businesses. All you need to do is click download and then just give it 1 second to load, and then you'll get a pop-up to click and download your design. An important point to know is that the size of logo designs will be 4000 by 4000 pixels, which will work fine for all print-on-demand services, except Merch by Amazon, which you need to resize it to 4500 by 5400 pixels. Alright guys, that's it for this part. In the next videos, I'm going to speak about creating mockups for your website and social media. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully helped you taking your print-on-demand business to the next level. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel just by clicking on the subscribe button below. Now it's your turn. Which designing tool are you using? Is it Canva, Placeit, or something else? Let me know by leaving a comment below.